Hello everybody. It is Thursday night and I'm hanging out with my kids. It's getting a little late, but you know, I'm just looking around my place tonight and it's amazing. You know, I don't, not that I take everything for granted, but I am so used to living this kind of lifestyle that I don't really get to step back and realize just how blessed I am to have the most incredible animals in my home. I mean, look at this. Look at this little princess. Now, this little princess was on the streets of Egypt eating out of garbage cans. Do you believe this? This sweet angel was eating out of garbage cans for about 4 years before she got rescued off the streets of Egypt and shipped to New York to me a couple of years ago. And I mean, how does this happen? It's amazing. I look at her and I can't believe that she lived a whole different life in a whole nother world. And Sam, oh my goodness, 13 years with this amazing guy. Baby's screaming. He knows I'm doing a video. He wants attention. And then these guys. Angel! You dancing? You dancing? You gonna dance? Come on, Angel, dance. Can you dance? Come on. Come on, Angel. Dance. Come on, sweetheart. Oh, and Angel is just so special, so amazing. Yes, Angel, I know. And Angel was never taken out of his cage for like her cage for like 4 years or something like that. I don't know how old, but never was, maybe 2 years. I don't remember now how old Angel was when I adopted her. And Mango is so full. You are so puffy. You ate so much. You have so much in your crop. You have so much food. Yes, you're so full. Look, you got your foot up. You're so relaxed. Yes. Yes. And we got this gorgeous Lopez family hanging out on the ceiling. And that is just incredible in itself, that that's a mother, father, and their baby. And they are just so attached. They are never away from each other. They're always like this. And it is just so amazing. Thank God I adopted them all together. If they were split up, it would have been horrible. Oh my God, they're having sex. What are you doing? What are you doing? Well, that actually tells me something, because they're kind of like love the one you're with kind of animal, but that is Pepe, who was just trying to have sex with Diego, who now I'm guessing is a girl. Diego may be a girl. So, unless, wait, let me see something. Unless I'm wrong, hold it. Oh no, I'm sorry. I'm making up stories. That's Mama Lola. Baby Diego's right there. Alright, so he wants to have more babies. Alright, well, at least you're not having sex with your daughter or son. That makes me feel a lot better. Okay. Oh my goodness. And then we got Superstar Django. Right? Hi, sweetheart. Hi, Django. Yes, Django was another amazing adoption. Yes, sweetheart. And Rocker. Oh my God, I can't say enough about my Rocker that I've had for over 10 years. And Rocker was 10 years when I got him. When I adopted him from a family who he started attacking the woman's fiance, so she got rid of him. And I gladly took him into my life. And oh my God, Rocker is just the most special bird. Can I pet you? Can I pet you, please? Under your wing? Can I pet you under your wing? How about, no? No? You don't want it? Okay, so you have to respect birds. If they don't feel like being touched, you have to just respect them, and you just don't touch them when they don't feel like it. Right, Rock? Yeah, you're right. And then we got sweet, sweet Paulie. Hello, sweetheart. Another amazing rescue with his partner, Harpo, who unfortunately just passed away recently from a very bad heart. But I hang out with Paulie now, so I am Paulie's mate, and Paulie's doing really well. Thank goodness. And then, let's see what, Smoochie and Bam Bam. Hello. Hello. I don't even remember when I adopted them. Smoochie I adopted a real long time ago. Smoochie's like over 20 years old now. And Bam Bam, I really don't remember. I don't remember. Hi, Bam Bam. Hi. Hi. Yes. Hi, honey. Hi. 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 You saying hi to everyone? Oh, you don't like the camera? Hi. Oh, she gets so jealous. She doesn't want me talking to him. She doesn't want him talking to anyone else at all. Smoochie, it's okay. I'm not taking him away from you. Hi, Bam Bam. Hi. Hi. You do not like the camera in your face, do you? Smoochie. Smoochie. Relax, Mama. Hi. 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 Oh my goodness. Yes, Bam Bam. All right. What? What? You want to say more? Yes, Bam Bam. Hi. I love you. I love you, Bam Bam. Isn't that a beautiful sound? It's awful. Indian ringnecks make the worst screeching sound. I think the worst out of everybody. It is just so piercing, it's horrible. Thank God they do not do it often at all. Alright guys, you play and watch your movie. This weird movie. They get to watch all these cartoons all day long. And let's go see how the cockatiels are doing. Oh, they see me. Let's see. How are my kids doing? Alright. So, let's see. Right over there is Jax. Jax looks all ratty because I syringe feed him. He's the one who has trouble with his legs. He must have had some kind of neurological problem. Whatever's going on with them, it affected his legs. But he's getting around really well. See, watch. He's going to climb. He'll do it. He'll do it. He'll get there. He'll get there, right? See? And I try not to help him. It's kind of like birdie therapy. And there's Jersey. They're all doing, they're like really, look at that. Look at Leo go. And there's Max and Docker. So everyone's looking much better today. They really are. They're really looking active and much, much better. So I think what I'm doing is helping turning them around a little bit. Give them a little bit longer to be on this earth with us. So I'm excited about that. That was a close call. I thought I was going to lose every one of them. And of course they get there too. That's a weird movie. Uh-oh, Sammy's throwing furniture. Sammy's throwing furniture. Does that mean you ran out of Cheerios and Bob? When Sammy runs out of Cheerios, that's his way of communicating to me. He throws the coffee table, and that's my cue that the Bob is empty. I bet you it's empty. Let's see. Nothing in the Bob. There's nothing. Nothing. I know, I'll fill it up, Sam. Let me finish with the video. and then I will fill up Bob for you, okay? Alright, let's go see Baby. Hey, we got the Lopez family now up there. Baby Diego and Daddy Pepe. Everyone's having sex tonight. What is going on at the Sharon Zoo? Would you guys get a room, please? Oh boy, oh boy. Alright, we don't have to watch that. You want to come out? You want to come out to Kira and Golda? Hello, Phoenix. Hello, Parakeet family. Again, this weird movie. You gonna talk? You gonna talk again tonight? Huh? So, everyone wants to know the story with Baby. So, I'm gonna tell you the story in this video. Hi. Baby's 28 years old. And when I got Baby as a gift, actually, when he was a baby. And he had a cage that had scroll work. So there were just coils of wrought iron, very, very hard wrought iron. And somehow when he was in the cage, he got his leg stuck in the scroll work. And I could not get his leg out. And it was getting more and more swollen. And I had to use like baby oil and anything I could find to try to get it out. And I had to really use a lot of force, or he probably would have lost his leg. So, what? Say hi! So once I got his leg out, he had many trips to the vet. We had to really treat that leg, but from the pain and from the trauma, he bit off his toes. That's why his nails are funny. That's why he has like one really weird looking nail and the other toe has no nail, because he was biting off his toes. He was pulling out his feathers, and then as the years went on, it became a habit. But now at this point, he's really not even doing it anymore. It's just the follicles that the feathers grow from. At this point, they're dead. So no feathers can grow back on his chest. But you see on the back here, feathers are growing in. So little by little, I'm spraying him with some stuff that sometimes helps, so some feathers come in. So, apple. So that's the story with Baby. He's a happy guy now. He's very high strung. He always was. But he's happy. You want to dance? You want to dance? Apple, you want to dance? Ah! It's funny. You want to dance? You want to dance? Go ahead. Go ahead. Rock you. You don't want to dance? You got good music. No? Hi. Hi. You were such a good singer. Such a good singer. So that's the story with Baby. And Rio was in a bird store, and he wasn't being sold, and they were going to just send him to actually a Rio theme park. That's why I named him Rio. But at that time, RJ had lost her mate to a horrible disease. I adopted another blue and gold that had a very bad disease that I didn't know about. And thank God RJ is clear of it. But she was so depressed when I had to put Simba to sleep that she was pulling out her feathers, so I had to get her another mate. And I got her Rio. I didn't want Rio to have to go to a theme park. So, yeah. So I gave Rio a home, and they became attached instantly. Baby's singing again. And that's it. And then RJ stopped pulling out her feathers, and everything's good. Rio is, oh my God, like 7 or 8 years old, and RJ is 25, gonna be 26. Right, R? And RJ was in a pet store also all those years ago and wasn't being sold and had a broken toe, and they just let me have her because they weren't selling her. Right? Oh. What are you doing? What are you doing? And Botan. Botan was actually another gift to me because I did have another African Grey, also named Botan, and unfortunately I used to have kids over to teach them about animals and educate and let them hang out with the animals, but I always told them don't leave anything on the floor, on the bed, anything. Well, one of the kids left one of her bracelets on my bed, and the old Botan swallowed it and got toxic poisoning from the metal and had seizures and eventually passed away. And I was just, my heart was broken into a million pieces, so my friend got me this Botan, right? And now you are the new Botan in the house, but I've had Botan for quite a while. I've had him for like 11 years, so he's been with us for quite a while. And these guys here, these are my Indian ringneck parrots. They are Smoochie and Bam Bam's children. I actually let them have a clutch of babies because I thought it would be cool, and it was wonderful watching them hatch and watching them grow, and it was just amazing. So these are their babies, and Phoenix is also Smoochie and Bam Bam's baby. Who else? Let's see. These are all adoptions. These are all rescues, adoptions. Some were rescued from pet stores that had deformities and they couldn't sell them, so they asked me if I'd take them. The Sparrow, I have Jack Sparrow. He was, I think I'm like his third or fourth home. So I don't know where he came from. I have no idea. But he can't be released because he would have no idea what to do in the wild. And they don't live long in the wild. They only live a few years anyway in the wild, so he's better off here with me. Baby, can you say goodnight to everyone? Apple, apple. You say bye. Say bye-bye. 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 So, who else? So we got these. This is a very long video. I hope you guys don't mind. But these are my parakeets, all adoptions. All adoptions. People didn't want them. And then they wound up here with me. Look at Finny Latte, that little society finch, so cute. Another bird that couldn't be sold. I think it's missing a toe. Yeah, weird. Weird. And then these were adoptions, of course. Mickey and Minnie. Mickey and Minnie, what are you doing? My lovebirds. And, oh yeah, and of course, Toby and Tammy. They were adoptions also. People didn't want them. I don't know if you guys can hear me with baby screaming like a lunatic. Baby, stop screaming, honey. And he's only screaming because I'm doing a video. Otherwise, it would not be noisy here. Apple, apple. I'm getting away. I know you're going to scream. I know. Hello, guys. Have fun. Oh yeah, and my doves were also rescued from people who didn't want them. And then those two up there, two of my doves had babies quite a while ago, and those are their babies. Yep. What are you doing? Yep. Why are you down here? Django? What are you doing? Oh, I know why Sammy moved your perch here and spilled all your water. Alright guys, so that's the story with some of these guys here. Where's your family? Your family were... Oh, your family's up there. She can't fly yet. She wasn't clipped right, so her wings are taking a long time to grow in. Angel! Angel! Hi, sweetheart. Hello. All right, guys, so we are going to say sweet dreams and sleep with those beautiful, beautiful angels. And we are not going to see you till very, very late tomorrow. Hopefully tomorrow night I'm going to do a popcorn party, a much requested video. So I think we're going to maybe do that tomorrow night. Sammy's happy. You can have your water. You can have your water. Sammy wants to go to bed. He wants to go to bed. No, he wants his Bob. He wants more Cheerios and Bob. All right, guys. We love you. We will see you tomorrow sometime. Have an awesome, awesome Friday. You have a good time while I get to sleep in with Sammy and Cleo. All right, guys. Night-night. One of the longest videos I've done in a long, long time. Bye, guys. We love you.